Okay, so if you're here because you want to see how to reset your factory settings on your Eskute speed programmer. I'm going to try and make it very, very simple and very, very easy for you, and also show you how to set up the password so you can have a password control for your bike, just in case anyone decides to nick it. You can have it locked on a password so they can't ride off on the electric assistance. Right, so controller is on. We make sure we're on 0. So we press and hold our plus and light button. So you can see you've got your default function yes and no, so you can go yes and no with your plus and minus button, whichever one you want, and when you press your I button on the side, it will then reset everything that's on the screen and put it back to factory settings, which I haven't done. I've left it on a no because I don't want to reset mine, but if you just put it on the Y, press I, and everything goes back to factory. Let's go into the password setting. So it's on 0, and with plus and minus button, hold for 2 seconds, and it'll take you into your screen. We have to put in our factory password to start with, which is 1. So it's a plus and minus for 1 as you go through them. So 1, I, and we're going to go 3, 1, 4. That puts in our password, and then we want to go down to level 9, go down to level 19. So there we go, down to program 19, and then we're going to put in a password, and we're going to turn the password on. So the information is yes. We're going to click yes for password, and then we're going to click the information again. That now brings us over to our factory setting, which is 1212. You can change this password to anything you want. So let's change this now to 1315. Okay. That's how you put your password in. Password says yes. When we press the information button now, it's going to go back to the screen. This is now going back to the screen. So if you turn the power off, when you turn your power back on again, anytime you turn your power back on, it is going to ask you for a password. And you have to remember your password. So it's 1, 3, 1, 5. And it unlocks your screen, and you can now use your controller. Okay, very, very simple, very, very easy, but you do need to remember what your password is. I'm going to now put that back to standard, and if you want to watch, I'm going to do it quickly now, and then I'll say goodbye. Plus and minus. Factory setting was 1, 3, 1, 4. That takes me into the display, and then we're going to go to 19, and we're going to go to on. And when it gives you the option, we're going to go back to 1, 2, 1, 2. That is the standard. And then I'm going to turn the password off and press enter. And then information takes us back to the screen. Now when I turn the controller off, turn the controller back on, it should start up without giving me a password. And there we go, we're back to the beginning. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Any information you want on all the information, I've got the whole screen set up. I can give you all the information you need. Videos in the top corner. Ciao for now, see you soon. And any questions, let me know. Bye-bye.